This is not working today. And mostly it's Red Cat's racing's fault. It's not running. It's having some kind of range issue. I don't know. So let's get out of the shot. Let's try this one more time. No, stop tracing me. I'm not the one you want to be tracing. Okay. Go right. It's trying to trace me all the time. No, don't stop. I want you to trace the truck. That's it, brah. That's it. Okay, so let's try this again. It's doing a great job of following it, but Red Cat Racing. What is up with this? Different level. All right, patience with this thing. I'm not sure what's going on. Red Cat Racing is having issues with I'm not sure what. So, and now it stopped running again. I'm pretty sure there's battery in there. So it should be able to do stuff, but then it keeps quitting out. You see that? I've never had this problem before, so I'm not sure if I'm in an area that catches some kind of interference. But luckily the drone is not having any of those issues at all. And as you can see here, I'm constantly having to come down here and tell the truck of doom to start and stop. So next time I will bring more batteries or something. But yeah, this is definitely the place to come for the crawling. And I don't know. Red Cat Racing has never... Okay. Red Cat Racing has never had issues. In fact, it's a fantastic little truck. But today, it's just not doing a whole lot. So, I'm not sure what that's all about. Maybe it's just the battery is doing what it's doing, but maybe some other time. Anyway, I'll bring it back to the field another time, but you guys can see how cool this could be and how stable the Hubsan Mini Xeno SE is, considering all the trouble that it's been through. Anyway, hey, what are you going to do? The truck is just not... It's just not having it. But you can see that it does follow it when it's moving, so that's pretty cool. We're gonna bring this. Can't do much with it to it at all. Look, it's just moving its wheels. We'll put it to the side then. We'll just put it to the side. It still has it under control. We'll just put it to the side over here. There. It looks great. I'll turn it off. And I'll turn the remote off because there's no point anyway. It's not running. And, well, we could get it to follow me then. We could get it to follow me. I'll do a couple of things. Does it have me? I think it has me. All right. I'll do some Tai Chi because we're out here. What do we got? 38% battery. Still okay. Oh my God, this thing is amazing. It still got me. Anyway, let's put it down. That was tiring. Oh my gosh. I have not worked out like that in a while. Yeah. Nice dogs. Really cute. Yeah. Of course. All right, we've got about, what does it say here? 30% battery. I'll try to put this down in a minute. Oh, I think we got close with one of the trees. Some really cute dogs here. Some very sweet people are hanging out.
Low battery warning. The drone will return to home soon.
All right. I don't want to kill the battery. And it's kind of getting full of people, so we're going to put this down.
Return to home.
All right. Come down. Yeah. Land. Land in place because it's close to a tree. So forward. And we're gonna land it in the safest spot that I can think of, which is just down here. Hi. Okay. To the right, to the right, to the right, up, up. Okay, to the right. We're gonna change the gimbal before I put it down so you guys can see where we are. There we go. We want to make sure that it's nice and safe. Head back a little bit, just a little bit down. Land it.
Landing.
In the safest spot that we can, right here. Perfect, perfect. So, I am super tired from running. I have not run in like too long. It's been too long. Oh, running, my friend. Running, my friend, it's been too long. Anyway, there we have it. Next time I'll have a better performance out of the, what do you call that thing? I'll try to get a better performance out of that Red Cat Racing. Red Cat Racing has never let me down before. So this would be the first time. But there, we'll just do what we can. There's a nice guy taking care of the grass and stuff. So we'll just cut it here, guys. And let's see, where's the live bit? Where's the love? And let's make sure that we, okay, yeah, it's saved the file, I hope. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care, guys.